Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get Ein Fisch. First, gather your essential gear. This includes a suitable rod and reel. A medium-action rod, about 6 to 7 feet long, paired with a spinning reel, is excellent for beginners. Spool your reel with monofilament line, roughly 8 pounds test, and remember a small tackle box for your hooks and sinkers. Next, finding the right spot is crucial for success. Fish often hide in places offering cover or food. Search for underwater structures, like fallen trees or rock piles, in lakes and rivers. Areas where shallow water transitions into deeper sections are also prime locations, as fish use these as ambush points. Pay attention to the water's color and clarity. Now let's talk about bait and lures, which are your primary attractants. Live bait, like earthworms or small minnows, is consistently effective because it appeals to a fish's natural instincts. Alternatively, artificial lures, such as a 1/8 ounce jig or a small spinnerbait, can be highly productive. Choose your bait based on what the fish in your area typically eat and the water conditions. Proper casting and retrieval are key to presenting your bait effectively. Hold your rod with a firm grip, open the bail on your spinning reel, and cast with a smooth, controlled motion. Aim to land your bait gently near promising structures, like a cluster of lily pads or a submerged rock. Retrieve your lure slowly, with occasional pauses, to imitate injured prey and entice a strike.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.